Look! There we go. It is a girl.
No, that's a piston.
I look like
That is a piston. Alright, so as you can see, there's no longer an engine here on our 1983 John Deere 544C. I am the engine now. It's sitting right over there. And as you can see, the pistons are all out of it over there. So, here's what happened. Monday we were having issues with it. It was mixing coolant with the oil. So we figured, oh, we'll pull the head off. It's probably a head gasket. Got the head gasket off. That's what it was. But we noticed in the cylinder walls, while there was still crosshatch, since it has now, I confirmed it has been overhauled, there was scoring in the walls. So we're just going to do a full rebuild, clean everything in here out, because it is an absolute mess underneath that big behemoth of an engine. So basically what y'all missed was obviously pulling the head itself, pulling the radiator in the back yard, and then the hydraulic reservoir, that's all sitting over here, and then most of the tear down of the engine. You guys didn't see a lot of that. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to take her to the machine shop. We still got to get the crank out, take a few odds and ends off the block. This is what happens when you're too lazy to go find the right wrench. Well, there's that much. This oily mess. That one's head right now. And this part you're not going to want to film because I'm not going to do this the way that anyone would want to see it. And you thought I broke it. I kind of figured I broke it. Oh, it's oiling on me. Oh yes. Don't think the oil filters are supposed to be full of coolant. Oh. Yeah. You're taking the rest of it apart, right?
That guy?
No, you.
the dog.
The chase behind the camera. If she'd give me the camera for a second.
Oh, we're gonna put those greasy hands away.
Good Lord.
The camera's the nicest thing here.
No, the Kubota skid steer is.
Thing's a pile of shit.
Hey! That thing's a fancy pile of shit. God.
Bobcat runs better than that thing.
Bobcats run?
Yeah. What the? It's in the name.
Ooh! Ooh! What's word? Something I try not to do. I don't know, I can't see in the hole.
Try pushing the dipstick out.
She said. I'm gonna get a water pump plier and turn on that, see what happens. And to read it. Oh, she does do a little bit of a screwy Louie out of there. Oh, chocolate. Mmm.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Simba. Hit!
You have a motor to do.
Yum.
It's yummy chocolate.
Just easy.
No.
Good enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. 1,
2, 3.
Okay, so this is cylinder 1. Because the book I couldn't find in the book where it's going to say what cylinder was what. I like it. Yeah, I am, said Sam, I am. I wonder if Sam watches the videos. 11 of 98. Sure as shit, it's been overhauled. Come on. Get off the journal. Thank you. Oh, he touched his bearing surface. Oh, that'll cause issues that'll last the life of this motor. The bearing date says 11 of 98. Bearing date 11 of 98. Kind of rhymes. I should have been a comedian or a cowboy. Should have been a cowboy. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. Now we're going to make the attempt at turning the engine over. We're bad girls. Bad girls, bad girls. Right there. Yep. Where's the bearing at? Bearing fall down? What the hell happened? Oh, yep, bearing's down there. Bearing. Oh, there. Shit. There. Yep, there's another bearing.
Where'd it go?
That one's inside the piston.
Here's that. How
Okay.
knows that?
Number 2. Number Eldace. Got her. Alright, that's 4.
Oh, he's got barely mover.
I see her. Is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know. Give her one more level up tap.
It is a... Oh my, this one's really in there.
Come on. Push. There we go. It is a girl.
No, that's a piston.
I don't look like
That is a piston. And a connector rod. We've got to wait until it's 18 for it to decide its gender.
10 points to hit Bryce in the head with that.
10 points to hit you in the head with a football.
Come on, swinger.
I'm a cheerleader.
I bet. Show me one of your cheers.
1 and 6. 6, baby. I dropped him.
I think this one's a boy.
Well, since Father pointed out that since it was done in 98 and they're over 18,
I think this one's
it is also 2021, so they can also change it. So I am not saying what it is or what it isn't anymore.
Push. Got her.
Boy or girl?
Looks like a boy.
Is a bearing. And this bearing does bearing things. Now, if you were a bearing and you would want to do barreling things, would you or would you not be a bearing?
I have no idea. Okay. Bryce, how you doing?
Yeah, it's 5.
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's right. Sorry. Sorry I blew up. My bad.
God, don't get the kids mixed up now. You're gonna make her cry.
Good. At least I don't have to pay child support.
Come on. Breathe. Push. Oh, it is a girl.
It's an it.
She's a heavy one.
No issue. Dad.
Baby.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Thank you.
which baby's next?
Cylinder 3.
A boy.
Picking me. I've been picking cotton.
Okay, put it
cotton.
away.
4.
Oh, it's a girl.
Are you sure? Yeah. Did it say that's what it wants to be?
Oh no.
Bang bang barware. Make
I'll
them
say.
walk it down.
Oh.
Nah, yeah. Bang bear. Rahang lo hung. Walk it down. Right. This looks like it may be fun to get off. Oh, wow, look at that.
You're off way too easy.
Yeah, definitely. That's not the star show pony of this year. Sure as the sky is goddamn blue. This is 9/16. That's the weapon I need.
Now that's a lightsaber.
That's a cam. Yeah, I went through. Last night we got the motor pulled out. Today I went through, took all the accessories, alternator, starter, all that stuff off. Got it down to basically just the block, the crank, and then this little timing gear, case deal. And then basically we've got the pistons sitting over there already. Head's down here. Here's everything that I took off today, kind of thrown around everywhere. Man, that was a long video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.